I don't like the term chronic Lyme because I feel like you either have a Lyme bacteria in your body or you don't. And a lot of times when people say it's chronic Lyme, they're actually meaning that they've killed the bugs but they haven't cleaned up the inflammation yet. To me, it's not really the infection anymore, it's the other stuff that needs to be taken care of. Or people will have the same symptoms they had during an active infection. In medicine, chronic is anything that's longer than X number of days or weeks, depending on what you're talking about. Technically speaking, pretty much everybody has chronic infection if they have infection by the time they get to me. It's a misleading label. Right. There's a lot of misinformation online about Lyme disease or other tick-borne infections that lurk in your system and become active again after a time because of X, Y, or Z reason. Go away. Like Epstein-Barr virus, especially, with that. And the truth is that bacteria are not like viruses. Viruses are definitely something that get reactivated. They never class of viruses. It likes to lurk in nerve tissue and it can get reactivated depending on immune system, etc. Viruses are different, but bacteria and red cell parasites, which is mostly what we're dealing with tick-borne illness, they are either there or they're not, and you've either treated them or you haven't. And sometimes it's because bugs are actually still there that haven't been appropriately treated with antimicrobials, especially if you've been treated conventionally with doxycycline for 2 to 4 weeks. They are not going to be gone, I guarantee it. So appropriate treatment is important. If you don't have actual bugs though, and you still have the inflammatory chemicals that the bugs produce, you're gonna still feel like you have Lyme disease. And that's most of the time what I see people who are labeled as having chronic Lyme are actually just dealing with the inflammation and the chemicals from the infection, not actual bugs.